Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Molina Healthy Rewards Program, benefits guide step by step clearly. To activate your Molina Healthy Rewards Program, start by visiting the official Molina Healthcare website. On the home page, look for the Member or Healthy Rewards section. Click on the link that directs you to the Healthy Rewards Program information page. Now, find the Enroll Now button or link to get started. You will be prompted to log in to your member account. If you do not have an account, select the option to create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to register, providing the necessary personal information. Once logged in or registered, navigate to the Healthy Rewards Activation section. Here, you will find various activities and health milestones eligible for rewards. Select the activities you have completed or plan to complete. Once you have made your selections, confirm your entries to proceed. Your rewards points will be allocated based on the activities you've completed. After activation, monitor your rewards balance through your member account. You can redeem your points for various rewards, such as gift cards or discounts. Be sure to check for any updates or additional activities that could earn you more points. Remember, participating in the program not only earns you rewards but also promotes a healthier lifestyle. For any questions, contact Molina Customer Service for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.